illustrations. Understand the entire process of t-shirt design. I started with basic elements and shapes, show you how to make a sketch with the theme of ice cream hitting a cat, and turn it into a fun and full of personality vector illustration in Adobe Illustrator. Draw some rough sketches here. You will see how I drew the relationship between the ice cream and the position of the cat. Then I took a picture with my phone and transferred it to my computer. I placed it in Adobe Illustrator, logged the graphics and used the artistic brush tool. The figure outline uses black as the outline, and the thickness is 0.35 points. Draw the outline of the figure. the contour is adjusted, make a backup copy of the contour, choose one of them to expand the outline. It's the vector fill graphic style. Next, combine the Pathfinder, fill the graphics with color. Finally, use the brush tool to write the theme text. Put the text in the right place. Adjust the proportion to form a unified whole with the graphics. Such a personalized and interesting t-shirt design is completed. Put it on the product quickly and see the effect. Summary: T-shirt pattern design needs to think about what theme to express, and what elements are used to reflect. It can be a lot of ideas. Create sketches in pencil with ideas, and then execute your sketches in Illustrator. This process needs to be adjusted slowly. Of course, the result is beautiful. The illustration design. T-shirt design is so interesting. How? Are you interested in the illustration tutorial after reading it? Quickly pick up the pen in your hand. You can also draw this, and follow this art channel. Thank you. See you next time.